I just picked up this MINISFORUM MS-A1, and you see so many sponsored reviews online, and not many of them show you exactly what you get in the box. Usually, magically, you see the box, and magically, the case is already on the desk in a few seconds, so I wanted to go through and unbox it. The MSA1 features a AMD Ryzen 7870G processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD-M2 stick. Windows 11 Home is standard, but by the time of this video, I will have upgraded to Windows 11 Pro. I will also be upgrading the RAM to 64 gigabytes and adding two 2 terabyte SSD-M, two sticks to go with the stock 1 terabyte stick. When I open it up to add the RAM and SSD sticks, I will do another video just to show the workstation filled up with SSDs, as so many reviewers show these systems bare and unused. You can see in the box you get the main workstation box, power cables, heatsink for the SSD, and HDMI cables. If you are interested in picking up this workstation, I will put a link in the description below and also some links to my upgrade items as well. If you have a moment, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Comment below on what you would use this workstation for or what you already use the workstation for.